Want to unlock a massive world of free entertainment on your streaming device? Today I am showing you exactly how to jailbreak your Fire Stick so you can get loads of applications not available in the official Amazon App Store. First, we need to get a free app called Downloader. Go to the search option on your screen, start typing Downloader, and select it from the list. Once Downloader is installed, go to the main menu, click on Settings, and scroll over to My Fire TV. If Developer Options is hidden, click on About, highlight your device, and click the center button 7 times until you're a developer. In Developer Options, turn on ADB debugging and enable Install Unknown Apps for Downloader. This lets you install awesome apps from outside the official store. Before using Downloader, I highly recommend connecting to a VPN to stay safe. Please use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. It completely encrypts your traffic so no one can track or snoop on your streaming activity. The installation link is mentioned in the description and comments below. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or visit topvpnoffer.com on your phone to get an amazing deal with 3 months totally free. Just search NordVPN on your device, download it, and connect to a server to stay completely invisible. Now let us safely open Downloader. Click the search bar at the top and type in the link applinked.store. Make sure you type applinked.store correctly and click Next. When the page loads, click the green download button in the top right corner. Once the download finishes, click Install. When it is done, click Done instead of Open. This gives you the option to click Delete and then delete again to clear the installation files and save space. We need to enable permissions for our new app. Go back to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options, and Install Unknown Apps. Find App Linked in the list and switch the option to On. Now head back to your full applications list. Scroll to the bottom to find App Linked. Hold down the middle button on your remote, select Move to Front, and place it at the very top of your list for easy access. Open up the App Linked store and click OK on the announcement. You can click on the Public Stores button to explore every single application available. If you want a cleaner experience, go back to the main menu to browse apps by specific categories like live streaming, movies and TV shows, sports, or utilities. Make sure your NordVPN is connected before opening any of these apps to keep your device secure. Check out the link in the description and pinned comment below to get started. Thank you for watching TechVibes. Enjoy your new entertainment setup, and I will see you next time.